what's...
I've got that. Silky egg.
I knew she'd start laying again.
Alana, come on.
Silky started laying.
In her nest box.
Because she started making the nest there yesterday, and I'm like, you're going to start laying soon.
Right, let's go.
I don't think Clover is. Alana, come on. Guys, so, any guesses where we're heading? We're going to the switchback. This is the crematorium.
All
All the great grannies and stuff. Alana got this. Let's see it. It's so cute. It's a pelican feed. She's so cute. There's Charlie's out there. We're here. We're on the Dragon Tentacle Bob, and we're going out to sea. See that? Let me make a ring. This ring. Can I get me? No. I'm gonna put you guys back at home. And no, I'm not. Okay, bye, Bob. Bob. Hi, mate. Big waves. Big waves. Wow, we're floating away. Even though Casey's just standing up, it's not that shallow. Wow! Woo! Floating around. Okay, bye. Where's the shrimp? That's cool. Just shell trolling. You can just find really anything here. I picked up the ones that were obvious. Yeah. Anyway, I filled up my hands. Oh my gosh, can I have some of these shells as well? Charlie, can I have some of these shells? Can I have some of them? Yeah. Yeah, okay, cool. Charlie, remember? You said, oh, look at this one. Yes, guys. Oh, and look, there's one. I've got a bag for shells. Let's do this. Guys, so I'm back up and go away. And I had to go to the lifeguard post because I cut my leg.
No.
It's like on some metal by the breakwater, and it's like those bits, but it's bigger. That's why I needed a plaster. And because my water in it wouldn't stop bleeding, so yeah. And so I can't go back in the water now. But we're packing up anyway to go home. So, hi guys. So, got ice cream. It's so much nicer than the ice cream man. Sorry. It's melted already.
I've eaten mine already. So.
Guys, so we're on our way home. We got ice cream to the shore. I'm eating the bread. We haven't eaten all of it. We just ate half of it. We're just playing Minecraft, going through our old world. Oh my god, it's so fun. Memories. Ah, hands. Bread's probably not the best thing to eat in the car.
Get the inside of the bread out. That is what it turns out.
Let me try and bite it. Your hand won't hurt. Can you hurry up? Because I want the shell.
I'm trying to get the inside.
I like the outside better. I don't think there's much left. Hurry up, Charlie. There you go.
This is literally how much there
You
was.
could put water in it and be like,
Yeah, but it tastes like bread. I don't know what bread and water tastes like, really. I think
hi.
So I'm greedy and I scoffed with the bread.
We ate most of the end. And so we decided to try the water thing, where you fill it up with water and see if you can drink out of it. And it leaks, the bread went soggy and we threw it out the window into grass. So some animal ate it. Are we nearly there? Is Alana asleep?
Threw bread out the window.
Alana's asleep.
And
Hey,
it was a
hey you guys! We're home!
Well, can you? My mummy's tired. And then you fell asleep on the wheel on a number of occasions on my hand. It's a bit shaking my head. Come on. There we go. Come on.
You're so cute.
Yeah.
So guys, do you like that? Wait.
Alana, come on.
I'm vlogging. So, we're home. My leg actually kind of hurts from the thing. Wait, let me show you it. But it's like these, but it's like that long and as wide as the plaster. That long. I don't know what you can see because I'm on front camera. Alana, quickly! So yeah. Oh. Alana slept literally all the way home. Casey was getting a bit tired. We literally ate like over half of that bread. My hip's gonna go. Yeah, you playing out, Charlie? Might be out in a minute then. Bye. Hi guys, so we're home and I had a shower and the plaster came off and this is what it looks like, but it started bleeding again because the plaster padding, is it focusing? The plaster padding wasn't big enough and so the plaster sticky bit went over this bit and that bit and they started bleeding again. Didn't help by the time it started clotting. I accidentally wiped my leg on it, my hand on it. So I put my wristband back on. That actually needs cleaning. I could do with a new one because they're like, look, like that. Jade Marie, I think Dawn Louise should get one of these as well to wear because you can get all different kind of colours and stuff. This is a pink one. You can get like green ones and stuff. And you just write the medical. Mine's disgusting. I've had it since. I've had 2 so far, and I got my first one when I was in year 7. Kind of for going to secondary school, like being more out and about. But you know, when she's not with you, if something happens, anyone can just like you just pull it out. I just want to make sure. I just want to see what details are on that bit. It's only about my warfarin. You just pull it out, and you can. On the whole card, you can write all of this. And it folds out, but I can't show you that because it's got like our phone numbers and house place and everything. And you get 2 cards with it if you buy this type. But you can get metal ones and everything, so I think you should get them. I need to put my earrings back on. I'm going to get a new one. They are kind of expensive for what they are. They're like, I think it cost 20 quid with postage and everything. That was a while ago, so hopefully it's gone down. I'm going to eat apple, wait. So I got to call my mum. Got my earrings in. My cut's bleeding so much, I'm going to ring. It's not bleeding that much, considering I've got warfarin and everything. But I'm going to ring. Casey, come on. I want Mum to bring a plaster up for me and the after sun.
What?
I want Mum to bring a plaster up for my leg and the after sun.
Mum, she wants you to bring up a plaster. Oh, okay.
Because it started bleeding as the plaster came off because the sticky bit was over it.
Okay.
So it ripped the scab off. So is she going to bring it up? She hung up on me. She hung up on me. Casey, if you're watching this now, why did you hang up on me? Yeah. Wait, I just want to show you this. I don't know how I can show you without you seeing your number. Okay. Just going to block my number. There. I put all these emojis over it. It's really cool. Yeah. Okay. I gave emojis to everyone's number and their pictures and stuff. Bye.